Hello guys, I'm Sahil. I'm making this video uh, to explain about a software or a web app called OneNote. It's basically used to organize all your documents and all your notes. So it's basically called OneNote because in one you can keep all your notes. You can have all your images in one place, sorted, arranged in well mannered way. So just let's move on and we'll get to know about it more. So this is MS Teams. So either if it's a Windows laptop, you'll be having this pre-installed in your laptop OneNote, a software, or if you have the Microsoft package and the Office Professional or whatever package, then probably you have the OneNote along with it. If it's not there in the laptop, then you can install it through your browser, and or if you're if you're studying still studying in college, and so this college must like may be they have provided you with this MS Teams, so it is in there already, so you can use this. So for this video purpose, I just have created a group named Thunder. That's basically my group. So what when I open this group, I'll see it's empty because no one is there. Just like it's a new group. So you see this file section, it's empty, right? So I don't have anything right now. So we'll do one thing, add this plus section, add one note to this. This it will show on this top header, general ports, files, and then we'll show so this is like the general notebook. That's a Thunder notebook. Okay, that's a notebook of this uh, team. Team name Thunder is the default notebook. So you just click on it and add it. Okay, so I just added this notebook. Now you see this notebook by default, uh, it starts and then you enter a section name. I'll just tell you what's the section name. So suppose you're starting a project and you don't know about the ideas, so you're just making a list of ideas. You have like three members and they're just like bombarding new ideas every hour. So you just make this section, list of ideas. Okay. So when you click on this part, this you see this is section column. This is the pages in that section. So this is the like the upper section, and below that, under that, it's these pages. So suppose you say one of a teammate comes with an XYZ idea, and then he named it. So you see list of ideas, and the name or the header of the idea is XYZ. So you could name his name also, like say Ram. Okay, Ram did this XYZ. So he could put all his ideas and all his thoughts into this page. He could explain his teammates because this OneNote is a notebook is available to all the members present in this Thunder team. So he whatever he types or he inserts images. Okay, files, images, PDFs. You can attach PDFs. You can put the links of his uh, sources, everything he can put in this. And suppose there another member. He has an ABC idea. So what he'll do, he'll just go to this below section page, and and add his heading of like approximate heading of his idea ABC, and like say this is by Lakshman. Okay, so he puts all his ideas into this. So basically, what's happening is like this is like the first phase, like list of ideas, and and if the friends or teammates are going on adding pages and they're putting their ideas, all their rough sketches, they're clicking images, putting out here, and your entire team can see it. So now you have seen, like, you have got like many ideas, and then now you want, like, you have got so many ideas, and now you decided to choose one. Okay, so now you want to work on that. So basically come to this section, and if you chose ABC, so you chose ABC, then put it like start. Okay, then okay, so this is a new section, and then new set of pages. It's like you must be having like phase one of your project. Okay, and then you could go for, like, you add all the phase one, like what have you started with, what resources you have, what all you need, what are your teammates' strengths. You can put all that stuff. You go with phase two, then you put like phase two of your project, like the heading after a month where you're heading. So this is basically a set, and these pages are the subset of the bigger set. That's the list of ideas are the set, and these pages are the subset. Similarly, you have this, and similarly, you can add another section, OPI, OPI. Basically, you add another section, it comes here. So you see all different colors. It's like bookmarks in a book. So you get like different sections, and under that you get a lot of pages to work on. So this is just for those who already uh, the, who already have this OneNote, and but never use it. So this is just like a brief idea. uh, so have fun exploring it and use it for staying arranged, so that your entire work is in one place, and then your entire team has access to it. uh, if I have any updates or anything new to add, or any new feature which I discover, I'll make a separate video on it. If you like it, and if you want me to make any a video on any of different software, you could just like comment it or message me. I'll be happy to make it. Thank you.